Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn your video into monochrome or black and white video. So select your video with click new project, or if you already have a project, just select your project. And to turn your video into black and white or monochrome, you can select filters. Just with filters, just click and you can find the VW filters. Swipe to the right until you find the black and white filters. So here's, and you can change for intensity. Just click check mark. So your video has turned into monochrome black and white video. So that's how you can change your video into black and white or monochrome in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.